Hello and welcome to this video. My family and I have been doing some just random YouTube videos for quite some time, and I've been wanting to improve both sound and picture quality as we went along. So basically I've been through lots of different kind of mic setups. Currently I'm using a lavalier microphone. It's the Saramonic Blink Pro 500, which is really good, and that's the audio that you're hearing right now. But I wanted to upgrade also on the audio level, and that's why I've got the Rode NTG4 Plus. So I've been watching a lot of videos before actually purchasing this specific microphone. And what I really liked about it was, first of all, the fact that it has a lot of built-in features that would actually make your sound a lot better if you're not really an audio tech guy. And I am by no means an audio tech guy. I'm able to just, dial the levels up and down a bit, but that's also about what I'm able to do. And apparently this was supposed to give you really great audio, and just a click of a button and with some of the built-in features. So today I will be doing an unboxing of this Rode NTG4 Plus microphone, and I will also be posting a video where I'll show you how you can connect it to regular DSLR, which does not have the XLR input. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is the box it comes in. Very neat. It says NTG4 Plus on it. If we open it up, you'll see that inside the sleeve, which just get rid of, is a black box. It says Rode microphones on it. And let's just see if I can open it up. I'm just going to turn it the correct way here, facing me here. And baba, this is what you get in the package. So obviously there is the Rode shotgun mic. It comes in a little plastic bag, and also with just some anti-moisture thing on it. Get rid of that. So this is the mic itself. There's the buttons here to control the various functions on it. And we have the windscreen here, which you can put on. It's a little dented actually, but it might just even itself out once used. So that looks like a real reporter's microphone, apart from the dents here. Okay. We have the USB to micro USB cable for charging. And then we have the mount, which is just a regular industry standard screw here you can put on any microphone stand. And you can put the microphone in here, and yeah, it's good to go. It's kind of flexible. I heard it's a quite tight fit to get it on, but we'll try to see if we can manage. This is the first time I'm working it, so I'm just going along like like you probably would when you opened it the first time. Yeah, you can actually just slide it in like this. And again, it's a quite tight fit. But there you have it, the Rode NTG4 Plus microphone, built-in battery, XLR connector in the bottom. Oh, it's actually more in the box. So it says here XLR ring. That's an XLR ring. There's the sticker. This is actually a Danish letter called Ø, and if you read it out in Danish, it's a Danish word. It says Rode. Røde, and that actually just means red. So I heart red. So putting on in Denmark would probably have another meaning than if you did it elsewhere. Then we have the register to get your 10-year warranty. There is some regulatory and safety guidelines. There's a quick start guide. And you get a little bag made out of leather, or there's some leather-like material. So yeah, that's basically what you get in the bag. So this is unboxing of the Rode microphone.